If the filling valve of your Titrette bottletop burette is stuck in the closed position, the instrument will not fill. To find the assembly tool needed to remove the filling valve, unscrew the air vent cap located at the back of the instrument. Remove the rear housing shell and take out the assembly tool. To remove the filling valve, use the assembly tool to loosen the valve. Then complete by hand. Remove the sealing ring and set aside. Use a pipette tip to loosen the borosilicate ball inside the discharge valve. If you do not have a pipette tip, take care not to use anything that could damage the ball valve. Rinse the valve with the appropriate cleaning solution and dry with a towelette to absorb any residual liquid. Test by shaking gently. You should be able to hear and feel the ball moving inside the valve. Reinstall the sealing ring, then the filling valve. Start threading into the valve block by hand. Then complete with the assembly tool. Do not over-tighten the valve. Excess force can strip the threads. Replace the assembly tool in the storage space within the housing. Replace the rear housing and the air vent screw. The Titrette has an integrated discharge valve that cannot be removed from the instrument. To check the valve, remove the discharge tube by first lifting the valve lever up to remove. Then slide the discharge tube housing up and pull it forward with gentle up and down motion until it comes free. Next, use a pipette tip to loosen the borosilicate ball inside the discharge valve. If you do not have a pipette tip, take care not to use anything that could scratch the ball or the valve. To reinstall the discharge tube, line it up just above the valve block and push it until it's flush with the Titrette housing. Slide it down into place. Reinstall the valve lever. If you have additional questions, contact Brandtech Scientific Customer Service or log on to brandtech.com.